कांग्रेस सांसद राहुल गांधी 21 अगस्त को जम्मू कश्मीर पहुंचे थे। यहां उन्होंने पार्टी कार्यकर्ताओं से मुलाकात की थी। साथ ही कश्मीर की कुछ युवा स्टूडेंट से भी बातचीत की। इसका वीडियो अब राहुल ने सोशल मीडिया एक्स पर पोस्ट किया। वीडियो में राहुल कश्मीर की छात्राओं से करीब 10 मिनट तक बातचीत करते हैं। इस दौरान एक स्टूडेंट ने उनसे शादी से जुड़ा सवाल पूछ लिया। छात्रा ने पूछा, राहुल जी आप शादी कब करेंगे? राहुल ने कहा, अभी कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है, होती है तो ठीक है। मैं पिछले 20-30 सालों से अब इस दबाव शादी करने से बाहर आ चुका हूँ।
Hello, how are you?
How are
Nice to meet you.
you? It's nice to meet
Hello,
you.
sir.
It's a dream come true.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
How are you, sir?
I always like coming to Kashmir. How are you, ladies?
Yeah, fine. So, what do you like most about Kashmir?
I like the relationship I have with the people. I like the place always.
People admire you here.
People here are having such a hard time
Yes.
and struggling, and I feel bad. So if I can do something for that little bit, then I try and see if I can. Of course, it's beautiful also. How does the situation here disturb your plans? Does it stress you out? You
It
feel
stresses
worried?
a lot.
Does it disturb? How?
I never wanted to continue my studies here because it's so depressing. I wanted to go outside, but then my parents didn't let me, so I had to stay here. But political science, I wanted to do it. I was passionate about it, so I did it.
But my experience with political science, studying political science, is what they teach you in university is nothing to do with
The
The real politics.
nothing. Like it's just nothing. They are in some other world.
That's the sad part.
And the politics is in some other world.
That's
So
the
you
sad
studied
part.
international relations as well?
Yeah.
From which university?
Harvard?
From Harvard University. Then after that, Papa died. So then I had to go to Rollins College. And then from there, I went to Cambridge University in England.
You also did your
From your
masters?
childhood, so you wanted to become a politician and you had other dreams?
Not when I was small. But after Papa died, I felt that I should. I saw Papa's death as someone stopping him from doing what he wanted or what work he wanted to do. So then I got that idea. We say, oh, I want to change that, I want to change that, I want to change that. You don't realize that to change any of that, you have to change this.
We also want to be free and chase our dreams.
But there's one thing that I try to find happiness in whatever I'm doing. Maybe it's forced. So if I'm doing my work, then I'll try to be happy in that. And then how will I be happy in that? How do you think I'll be happy in that? My work is quite tedious and serious.
Because you like it.
No, so then I'll like, you know what I'll do? I'll go and meet some Kashmiri youngsters, talk to them. So now my work will become more interesting. So I try, whatever I'm doing, I try to find something nice to do.
We also want to do a lot of things, but because of the condition or because of the lack of opportunities, we can't.
Yeah.
Like being Kashmiri woman, I know what kind of problems I face. Like we have less literacy rate in Kashmir.
Yeah.
We have less employment rate.
And
Like,
we have
if
also
we
less
see
representation.
Unemployment rate of women in Kashmir, it's 76%. If being a physicist, I see only one female professor in Kashmir.
So how do you see the press freedom in Kashmir?
I see huge problems with press freedom in Kashmir and in the rest of the country. My view about the Prime Minister, my problem with him is that he doesn't listen to anybody, number one.
Yeah.
And number two, I have a problem with somebody who from the beginning believes that they're right. Even if he's seeing something that is showing him that what he's saying is wrong.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।